you are looking to get your first paying design client, this video is for you, and we're gonna get you a client this weekend. Let's do this. Hey designer friends, what is up? My name is Ron Segal. In this video, I want to share with you what I would do if I was just starting out, has zero experience, portfolio, nothing, no connection, nothing, and I want to get my first paying client this weekend. Here's what I'm going to do. So first step, you're gonna need a little bit of work examples. Note, I'm not saying you need a portfolio website and you need this and you need this. You just need a few, maybe 4 to 5 good looking images of designs that you have created to entice people, to show them that you can actually create something. So take a few hours this weekend and just do some design exercises. You know, take like a website and do a redesign for the hero section, or design a book cover that you love, or design an album cover for an artist that you like. Just do like 4 to 5 good looking images, ideally in kind of subjects that you would like to design for, but just create a bunch of nice looking images. That is step number 1. Now, here's step number 2. Take these 4 to 5 good-looking images that you have created and post them on Facebook. This is exactly what I would do. I would post them on Facebook and I would create something like this. I would write, "This weekend only, I'm doing a raffle or a lottery, and I am suggesting my design services for one client for free of charge, and I'm willing to design anything that you do. I'm donating my time back to the community, to the people that I love, and I want to donate my time. I will redesign your website or your logo or something like this. The only thing I am asking for is something like, let's say, $200, just to show that you are invested and interested in this kind of like a seriousness fee, just to show that you're actually committed to doing the work together. I'm doing work that is valued by, any other company that you would work with would probably charge you thousands of dollars for this kind of work. I will do it for $200 because I am volunteering my time here." Now, this does few things. First of all, the context is this goes out, if you're posting this on your Facebook or something like this, to your network of people who already know you and like you and trust you. So this is your family, people who you went to school with, people within your community. So these are people who already know who you are. Now you've enticed them with both some nice looking images, so you have proven that you can create some good looking stuff. And then you're also giving them an opportunity, a once in a lifetime opportunity, because they feel like they're getting a chance to win something for a huge discount. Now, this will do 2 things. This will give you a first working experience with a client who is paying you. Yes, they're only paying $200, $300, but that is still great because it will still create the relationship of a client who is paying something, even if they're hugely undervaluing, your work, but they're still paying you and you still have this client-designer relationship. You will hopefully do work for them and they will hopefully be very happy with it. Now, for you as a designer, even if this is your first client, it's going to be rather easy to over-deliver on work valued $200, $300. So that means you're going to provide them with more value than what they paid for, which means they're hopefully going to be happy with your work. And that's going to create a virtuous cycle because they're going to show this work to other people and they're saying, I had a really great time working with this person. I had a great experience. Here's what I got in return. You, in return, got the confidence that you can actually do work for people and get paid for it. So you will now have the confidence to try to get the next client, even charge more money and deliver better work. So remember, this is beginner's tactic. I wouldn't do this if I'm an advanced, trying to raise my rate and something like this. But if I was just starting out, looking for my first paying client experience, this is exactly what I do. I hope you'll take action on this. Let me know in the comment below if you've given this strategy a try and how it worked out for you. I'm looking forward to hearing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like and subscribe for more video about building your design career and building your skills as a designer and a freelancer. I'll see you on the next video.